Hi guys, good evening. Yun oh, talagang active na active sa YouTube ngayon. Manonood naman tayo ngayon ng Grand Prix sa Lucille. Bali, hindi nakasama si Miss dahil walang makakasama ang mga bata bukod kay Tita Wawa. So nag-decide na lang ako na isama na lang yung isang kaibigan. Sayang naman yung ticket, diba? So papunta na ako sa kanya. Shout out nga pala kay Galvin aka Rambo. Alright. So big shout out sa'yo, and of course lalo na kay Papa G. See you there later, Papa G. Sana makita kita dun. So excited na. See you later guys. Yo, nakita na kami ng tropa. Shout out bro.
Hello.
Yun o.
Shout out sa inyo.
Panoorin mo to ha. Yan. Excited bro? Excited! Woo! Nanonood na kami! Yan o, nasa loob na kami. Mga excited ang mga itlog. Shout out Kuya Marvin.
Kuya Marvin.
Trip mo to, di ba? Mga naka-designate pala yung mga ano namin, yung sa ticket kung saan kami papasok. Kaya medyo mahaba-haba ang lalakarin namin. Sobrang daming tao dito. Sakto, nandito lang kami sa haba na amin nilakad.
10 minutes yun.
10 minutes walk. Grabe pagod. Eto na ang dadaan din. Tingnan natin kung may makukuha tayo. Sana.
يتصدر السباق ولكن ربما انا اختار مان اوف ذا ريس. Fantastic race today. Absolutely fantastic. And also doing fantastic things is Selena, who has sent us a message saying this is my first Grand Prix after doing my master's dissertation on Formula 1 racing. So great to have
galing ano, sa corner tumira no. Yan o. Oh man! Woo!
Truck Drivers Championship, and he is faster than George Russell, and we're going to see a third circuit record. Yeah, no, Bogdanovic there, what a debut he was having, and unfortunately just got smashed by the 48.7, and Victoria takes another second. 20.620. That is faster than he just did in the previous session. There's more to come from Verstappen. There's more to come from Leclerc, and Hamilton has put it on the second row of the grid with 4.5 minutes remaining. Well, it is impossible to determine who will start from.
Yun, natapos na qualifying round, qualifying game. Bali, ayun,
Tomorrow will be final.
finals, kaso wala na kami weekend na kasama. Ayan yan, oh. Tapos sa circuit, ang circuit dito. Ayan. Nice game.
Indeed, let's hope so.
You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said
Yun guys, sobrang masaya at sobrang intense. Nakauwi na rin ng safe. Ayos, ang gandang experience na yun. Big shout out to Papa G, Rambo, Kuya Marvin, para sa'yo to. Alam kong favorite mo ang F1 eh. So guys, thank you. Babush.